Hello and welcome to the channel. Today we're going to be doing a little bit of a review because we haven't done one of those in a long time. It's kind of like a little unboxing / review video. It's going to be for this thing, the Ausdom web camera HD 1080p. So let's get into it. As you can see on this wonderful bedspread that we have the Ausdom web camera HD 1080p with the loudspeaker, recording, video chatting. Zzz. It must have been a boring conversation. Sorry about the audio on this. It's my camera, as you guys know if you've been watching my videos. My phone camera is terrible and I've been looking to replace it. So I'm going to replace it with this web camera that I've been using. Because I've been using the Droid Cam app and yeah, it's not helpful. So here we go. Look, there's the back. Quick focus, boom. Anyways, let's get inside this thing. Luckily, I partially opened it before this video, so it was a lot easier to do with one hand. It looks like it's all one piece. Oh yeah, check that out, and get some paperwork. Oh, did I just feature a minor in my video? Yeah, so there's that crap. On to the main event. Dun, 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 dun. Sorry if I got a bit of shaky cam, I'll try and steady it out post-production. Okay, so got this all-in-one basic unit. Now, you can see by the size of my hand, this is quite a small unit. Let me just get an item to put next to this. Okay, yeah, the giveaway, but there is a full-size clipper lighter with pairs on it. It's quite small, this camera. Comes with a nice shiny layer. It was boxed well. So the box there, you see, it was double wrapped in plastic thing. And also it had the Amazon cardboard wrap around that as well. Which was very, very good. Because I didn't even order it from Amazon. I ordered it from eBay. And it was listed at $29.99. I offered $25 and got it for $28. So I did okay. Saved myself $1.99. So there is that. So what we're going to do next in this video is probably show you some footage from it. Now, this camera is being really good today. I suppose it's the lighting. I've got a very good light in this part of the room. So there is that part. Well, here we are. You're looking through the Ausdom 1080 HD. I think it's pretty good. It doesn't sound very good, but it looks very good. The cable was just long enough to reach down to my computer that's on the ground. But I think for anybody else using it in a normal situation, it's going to be okay. So you ain't got to worry too much about that. My qualms with the thing, though. Sorry, I've got gas. My qualms with the thing is it just sounds terrible. Listen to this sentence. The quick brown fox jumped over the lazy dog. Now you tell me whether that sounds good or not. Maybe it's good for a cheapy webcam. I don't know. But other than that, we are good, and this is my review. I just want to take a moment to mention Patreon quickly, because I've just started my page, and it would really help me out if you guys could go over there and take a quick look. There's really a lot of benefits that I've thrown together on there, so guys, let me know if you think they're any good or not. You can pledge for as little as $1, and there's plenty of benefits including early access, downloads, and even a free CD. So it'd really help me out if you guys could take a look at that quickly and maybe share it amongst your friends.